Hola friends! So today we are going to do a waterfall hike. So we're gonna do two hikes to two different waterfalls. And yeah, I'm really excited to go. Yesterday was so much fun. Like meeting for breakfast and then meeting the other girls at the beach and doing the jet skis and everything. It was so much fun. We even went to like a beach party later on where we met a lot of digital nomads, a lot of people that work online, and it was so great. I actually left the party earlier so I can join the hike today because otherwise I have been too tired. It's almost 9, so we're going to start now and I'll take you guys with me. We just reached the first waterfall. It's like a nice where you can swim, and now we're gonna climb up to the next waterfall. Looks a bit difficult, but I think we can do it. Hey guys, so I just got home from our hiking trip and I absolutely loved it. Like the hike was so much fun. It was quite adventurous and it was just it was just so good. There were like so many different parts where we had to hike to get to the waterfalls, like the different waterfalls. Some parts were a little challenging, but we could still do all of it, the whole group. And the waterfalls, they were like so nice. Like the water is so clear and so blue, and it's actually a little cold, so it's a nice refreshment. And yeah, we just had a great time. Also the group was like super fun, and yeah, it was an amazing day here in Puerto Vallarta, my best day here so far. And yeah, I hope there'll be many more days just like that. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.